Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to use the clone stamp tool. I've gone ahead and I've put this into my layer, and I am going to grab these pixels using the clone stamp tool, which is S right here. Paints with pixels from another part of the image, so you can kind of add stuff to it. I particularly want to use it to give myself some eyebrows. Alright, being a blonde-haired American, I have 0 eyebrows. They're kind of clear. They're there, but they're clear. So I'm going to take the pixels that I want, and the way to get the pixels is by holding down Alt to get the target pixels, and it should kind of change it to a look like a target. Alt. Here we go. Sorry, I was pressing the wrong button. Alt. It looks like a target, so I've chosen the target, which is going to be actually my hair up here. Target there. Now you can kind of see a preview. I'm going to go to another layer and paint on top of it. So I've got some really cool looking eyebrows here. Alright. If I was to continue and draw them over here, you can see what's actually happening. You see where the X is above there? There are no pixels over there, and it's the other part of the image. So I don't really like that part. I'm going to go back to the eraser tool and kind of get rid of that part. So if I want my eyebrows to be actually symmetrical, I might just have to take them and copy them. Maybe I would take this layer, duplicate the layer, Control J, and then go to Edit, Transform, and Flip Horizontal, and just put them where I want them to be. You can see I left a little bit of residual stuff from the other side. I'm going to go back to the eraser tool, get rid of that. Looks like there's still some over there. I'm kind of double checking using Show Transform tools where the other pixels are. E for eraser. Maybe just make it a little bit bigger. V for move tool. Okay, great. Now they are symmetrical. I like what's going on here. Sometimes if you have larger areas like you wanted to get rid of, say I wanted to make my forehead larger, stamp tool, take some of the actual skin, Alt, take the target, and you can paint it up inside of there. So now I've got a larger forehead. And then I would probably go back in there with a spot healing brush and kind of make it a little bit less. Again, Alt. This way a lot of people make themselves bald. Now I look amazing. Alright, that is the clone stamp tool. Use it at your own will. I actually put those into the same layer. That I should have maybe put that into another layer, but I'm okay with that. It looks pretty decent, so I'm going to keep that.